Kieslect Actor vs Huawei Fit3 Full Teardown Comparison. Due to time constraints, we've pre-melted all the sealant of the Huawei Fit3. Ceramic bezel removal. The ceramic bezel on the Kieslect Actor is as hard as diamond, with corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance, fade resistance, scratch resistance, and high durability. It can retain its original luster and appearance for up to 10 years, far surpassing the durability of stainless steel and aluminium alloy. 2. Display panel removal. The Kieslect Actor features a 1.6-inch LTPO display, offering vibrant color clarity and superior power efficiency compared to the standard AMOLED screen of the Huawei Fit3. Frame Teardown. 3. Waterproof seals inspection. Both the Kieslect Actor and Huawei Fit3 feature 580 mm water resistance, ensuring reliable protection against water damage. 4. Mainboard and processor removal. The Kieslect Actor features smaller and more screws, making the overall structure more secure and of higher quality in comparison. Battery disconnection and mainboard layout. After cutting the battery wires, we can observe the mainboard layout. On the main board, there are the main chip, GPS chip, motor, and other components. 6. Power regulation chip. The Kieslect Actor includes a power regulation chip that ensures stable input and output voltage and current, providing better protection for components, which enhances performance and extends the watch's lifespan. The Kieslect Actor is equipped with a 500 mAh battery, which is more durable compared to the Huawei Fit3 with a smaller 400 mAh battery. 7. Button removal. We've also added waterproof gaskets at the button connection points, enhancing the overall water resistance of the watch. 8. Sensor removal. Both the Kieslect Actor and Huawei Fit3 are equipped with heart rate and SPO2 sensors. However, while the Huawei Fit3 has 3 sensors, the Kieslect Actor features 4 sensors, enabling more precise monitoring of various health metrics to enhance data accuracy. 9. The overall materials after the teardown. In conclusion, both smartwatches offer unique strengths. The Kieslect Actor exudes a premium and luxurious feel with its high-quality ceramic materials, larger battery, and LTPO display, while the Huawei Fit3 is more ordinary, known for its lightweight design and simplicity.